Good day. I am Cesar Vargas from 9 Varium, and I am here to teach you how to use the distance formula. Okay. Let's say you have a line segment here with the points, let's say 4 and 6, and -3 and 2. Then you want to find the distance from this point to this point. Then you have to use the distance formula. So first, what is the distance formula? The distance formula is the square root of x sub 2 minus x sub 1 squared plus y sub 2 minus y sub 1 squared. So we will use this formula to get the length of this line segment. Okay, so let's say this is A and this is coordinate B, and you want to find line segment AB. Okay, so line segment AB is equal to square root of x sub 2 which is -3 minus x sub 1 which is 4 squared plus y sub 2 which is positive 2 minus y sub 1 which is positive 6 squared. Next, we will add this to, then -3 minus 4 is equal to -7 squared. Plus 2 minus 6 is equal to -4 squared. You have to get the square of this. So 7 times 7 or 7 squared is equal to 49. Added by -4 multiplied by -4 is equal to positive 16.
One boom.
Okay, so the sum of these two is equal to the square root of 65. Since the square root of 65 is in the simplest form, then this is the distance from point A to point B. So that's it. Distance from. Thank you. I love this.
Love you, Sir Bago.
I love you, Sir.